As of late 2025, removing an Apple ID from AirPods Pro 3 without the previous owner's involvement is virtually impossible. This is due to enhanced anti-theft measures that prioritize preventing unauthorized access. Apple's security protocols in iOS 18.2 and later firmware updates strengthen these protections. Attempting to bypass these protections could be seen as circumventing anti-theft measures. If you acquired AirPods Pro 3 secondhand, proceed with extreme caution. The proper way to remove the Apple ID is through the original owner's iCloud account in the Find My app. They must manually unpair the AirPods. If this isn't possible, you can contact Apple support, providing proof of purchase, the serial number, and potentially a police report if theft is suspected. Apple will verify ownership and may remotely unlock the device. This security is in place because over 1 million AirPods are reported stolen annually. Tampering with the device using third-party tools can result in a bricked device and is generally illegal. Always verify ownership before purchasing secondhand AirPods.